Our portable frozen meat slicer. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 17 inches, a depth of 17 3/4 inches, and a height towards the top of the handle we have 29 inches. Coming to the front of the meat slicer will be the 110/120 voltage, the power and stop, along with the keypads to run and operate this meat slicer. These keypads right here, along with the knobs, will control. The block of meat can be inserted onto this tray, and this will hold it down. From there, with the keypads, this box with the meat inside will push the meats forward, cutting into little sheets. So this blade right here will cut the meat that's currently being pushed upwards and dispense from the bottom. This bottom ramp right here and tray will be where all the meats will fall. Well, the coming measurements for the bottom ramp will include 6 inches in length by 9 3/4 inches in depth. Coming to the side will be a sticker and information for this meat slicer. Measurements for the box where the block of meat can be dropped in will include 2.5 inches in length by 5 inches. So again, the block of meat can be inserted into this tray. This will hold it down, and with the keypad functions, it will push forward, cutting the meats that will fall beneath. Included with the meat slicer will be the information pamphlet, along with tools and accessories for this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.